Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Improvers Partner Work Tutorial 1. Let's begin. So starting our basic code, guys, starting on the left foot, we're going to step forwards and together, and on the right step back and together. Again on the left, step forwards and together, and on the right we're going to do a Cuban turn, hooking on the right, stepping round on the left and stepping together on the right. Proceeding into our open step, stepping back and together on the left foot, and then on the right foot doing the same, stepping back and together on the right. Also swapping your hand, going right to right. We're going to move on the left foot now, guys, going behind the lady's back, stepping out, across and pivot. And then on the right foot, guys, we're going to step back on the right, forwards on the left and forwards on the right, going underneath the lady's right arm. On your left foot, you're going to step round on the left, step forwards on the right and pivot, going behind the lady's back again, picking up her left hand, and then on the right foot stepping out, across and pivot, taking the left hand behind the back before you turn the ladies out, stepping out, across and pivot, and take the right hand over the head, guys. Now on the right foot, guys, we're going to lead ladies into a back across together, letting go with your right hand, which is behind your head, and pulling the ladies with your left hand to bring her with you as you go back across together on the right foot, placing your right hand onto the lady's right shoulder blade. Now on the left foot, guys, we're going to go back across together again, releasing the left hand and picking up the lady's right hand back into your basic hold before leading her into a Cuban turn as you hook on the right, step round on the left and together on the right to conclude our routine. Okay, ladies, your turn. So, ladies, on your right foot, you're going to step back and together, left foot forwards and together, right foot back and together. On the left, step out, across and pivot for your Cuban turn, back and together for your open, back and together for your second. Now, you're going to turn, stepping back, forwards and turn, and on the left, step back, forwards and turn, and again on the right, back, forwards and turn, on the left, back, forwards and turn, on the right, back, forwards and turn, on the left, step back, across, together, and on the right, back, across, together, and on the left, step out, across, and pivot to complete your routine. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. See you all next time.